Introducing the 2023 Cupra Born 150 Key 00, a sleek and powerful electric vehicle packed with top-notch features for a luxurious driving experience. From the ambient lighting to the satellite navigation and collision avoidance braking, this car has everything you need for a safe and comfortable ride. With its stylish exterior in grey and interior cup holders and luxury trim, you'll be sure to turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Contact us today or visit our website Spirit Motor Group E for more information.